How to create a Bumble account on your phone. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Bumble app. After you launch the app, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to create a new Bumble account, you need to tap on this Create an Account button. Now here you'll need to provide your phone number. After it verifies your number, it'll send you the verification code. Next up, you need to turn on your location permission. If you want to allow the notifications, you can do so. Next up, you need to create your name for this account and provide your birth date. Select your gender. You can state why you are using this Bumble app. Now you can go through this process. It'll ask you a bunch of questions and you can answer accordingly. After that, you can add your photos over here. And there you go. You've successfully created your account in Bumble app. You are now ready to explore this app. So that's a very simple process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.